A lot of people saw the word Reyden in the recent Databricks announcements and had the same question. What exactly is Reyden? Here is the cleanest way to think about it. Lakehouse RT is the new real-time warehouse experience. Reyden is the engine powering that experience. That distinction matters because Reyden is Databricks' attempt to solve one of the hardest problems in modern data systems. How do you get very low latency analytics without copying your data into another serving system? For a long time, teams had to make a compromise. One clean lakehouse with trusted governance, or a separate fast engine with another copy of the data, another permission layer, and a sync problem to manage forever. That is why Reyden matters. It is not just a speed story, it is an architecture story. Can the lakehouse itself become fast enough for real-time analytics without breaking the simplicity of one governed foundation? Databricks is now saying yes. According to Databricks, preview users have seen up to 16 times better performance. Response times as low as 10 milliseconds on smaller datasets. Sub 100 millisecond performance on larger ones, with tens of thousands of concurrent users and agents. What makes this interesting is that Reyden is not a narrow lookup engine. It is designed to handle real analytical workloads, real joins, real business logic, real concurrency, directly on governed Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg tables. That is why I think the biggest value of Reyden is actually about simplifying the system around the query. Fewer copies, less synchronization, less drift, fewer chances for business users to see different versions of the truth. Because BI itself is changing. Fast dashboards still matter, but now operational apps, observability systems, decisioning workflows, and AI agents all need live answers on trusted enterprise data. Reyden is aimed at that bigger world. So here's the simple definition. Reyden is the new engine powering Lakehouse RT, Databricks Beta Real-Time Warehouse, built to deliver millisecond-scale analytics directly on governed data. No separate serving copy. The Lakehouse, finally fast enough for real-time. BricksNotes, data and AI simplified.